Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. This property is priced at 13.8 million pesos. It has a lot area of 150 square meters, floor area of 250 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, carport for 2 SUVs, balcony, living, dining and kitchen, and a garden. As we can see guys, very modern house design with clean lines and mixture of metal and glass details. We have a very nice garden right here outside. And mind you guys, I'd like to point out that yung spot na meron ng house na to is one of a kind because it's facing a vacant lot or the playground. So this will be forever vacant. Diba? Ang ganda ng front ng house natin. So let's go back. We have this greenery, of course, 2-car carport. Let's go in. Upon entry to your pedestrian gate, which also connects to your main gate, 2-car port, good height. Of course, you have your outlets here. And of course, we have an access to the service area, which we will go later. Now, dito sa labas, to my left, we have a space right here, which can be used if you have gatherings, of course, or can be used for any occasion actually, di ba? Pwedeng seating area, di ba? Pwede kayong maglagay din ng plants dito. You have a faucet right here, of course. Ang ganda, guys. And napansin ko, guys, no, yung CCTVs natin are also included. Installed na yan. You have this main door na may screen na siya. And this Korean style main door, which I believe is wood. Come in. Upon entry, guys, you have an open living space. You have your living area right here, L-shaped sofa, windows for natural light. You have an air conditioning installed, of course, and your CCTVs are included. This way right here, you have your console. Very nice wall detailing right here. And of course, your dining table will go under this amazing light fixture. Nag-change niya ng color pag sinwitch natin, no? Now, to my right is your beautiful kitchen. So you have a countertop right here, which I believe is granite. Storage under, of course. You have your range hood, and of course an oven underneath. Tons of storage. You have a microwave, your sink, more storage above. Okay? 2-door refrigerator, of course. This one is your pantry. So, a lot of storage for your groceries and all that stuff. Okay. Now, we have a side door right here, but we will access the service area through this sliding door over here. Okay? Slide it open. Then you have your service area right here na mayroong clear na roofing for natural light. And of course, meron din tayong ventilation sa taas. To my left is your staff room. Yan. It's a good size staff room. May window din siya for ventilation and natural light. Okay? Very nice. Ang ganda rin ng pagkakatile nito kasi it's easy to maintain. Tiled na siya. We have our provision for your washer and dryer dito. Pwedeng laundry dito. Dito naman nakakatuwa kasi meron ditong parang naka-recessed na area which pwede ka dito magbasa-basa, no? Hindi kakalat yung tubig or to clean your mop or whatever dyan. And we have our daily kitchen right here. Okay? Sink, countertop. Meron tayong outlet dyan. Very nice. And this gate is your access going back to your carport. So this door leads us back to the house. So balik tayo. Maraming space para kumilos sa house na to. Going back in, one more look sa ating dining area, kitchen, and of course, yung ating living area. Ang ganda niya kasi marami kang pwedeng gawin. No? If you're someone who loves to decorate, it's a blank canvas for you. Almost. Now, under the stairs, we have our powder room. Very spacious. You have your sink and your toilet right here. Tapos, more storage underneath here. Ayan. Talagang ginamit nilang very smart use of space. You can store yung mga bagay na hindi naman masyadong ginagamit. No? Okay. Now, we head to the second floor. So, you have a very nice tiled stairs right here, metal handrails with glass detail. We have a large window dito sa ating mid-landing. Gives off natural light. Ang aliwalas niya. Then on the second floor, we have 3 bedrooms. So let's start with this one. So upon entry, nandito yung inyong malaking cabinet. So to store your outfits and things, you have a big bed right here, your console, air conditioning, tapos may window tayong malaki, natural light. This is the morning sun. Okay? Then we have this another room. This one is more spacious than the first one. Upon entry, once again, cabinets. You have a big bed, console, air conditioning, and window. Very nice, no? Tapos napakalinis lang tingnan ng ating flooring kasi ang ganda ng choice ng tiles nila. Tapos this door right here is your shared bathroom for the 2 rooms na pinakita natin. Upon entry, ayan, makikita natin yung sink natin. Sink, toilet, and spacious shower na enclosed. Oh, very nice. So, tas swabe yung swabe yung pagkakasliding niya. Tas rainfall yung ating shower head. And of course, we have a window right here for ventilation. Now, let's go to the master bedroom. Kasi sobrang unique ng master bedroom. For number 1, sobrang laki ng space. Grabe. So, upon entry, ma-amaze ka agad sa high ceiling ng ating master bedroom. So, you have tons of space right here. Tapos, yung bed natin is right here, guys. This is a king-size bed. Diba? You have a bed and a lot of space to move around here. Ang ganda. Pwede ka pa dito magkaroon ng sofa, diba? Ng desk, if you're working from home. You have your console right here. Windows on each side. This is your control for your CCTVs. And guys, once again, sobrang high ceiling. Number 2, special feature is the beautiful walk-in. So we have a pocket door. Yan, pocket door siya to save space. Parang kulang pa tayo sa space, no? Sobrang lawak ng space. Space saver pa yung ating door dito. Upon entry, you have a wide countertop right here. You have your sink right here, and of course your mirror, windows for natural light, and tons of closet space. Guys, ayan no. Installed na siya. You don't have to worry anymore. Ayan, ang dami. Okay? Plus, nakakatuwa dito kasi separate yung ating shower area sa toilet natin. So yung toilet natin nandito siya. Very nice. You also have window right here, natural light. Tapos ito, tempered glass that divides yung ating shower area naman. Ang ganda, guys. And closed din siya. And guys, take note, sobrang high ceiling. So for those of you na medyo claustrophobic, this house sobrang parang nakakahinga ka kasi ang lawak talaga niya. Now, this door, di ba na-mention ko kanina na yung lot sa harap is forever vacant yon. Etong ating balcony, in the morning, guys, makikita nyo, napakalawak niya. From here to here. Then you have a nice view of the playground in front of your house. Very peaceful, especially ngayon. It's 9 in the morning. Diba? Imagine yourself, nagkakape ka dito. Diba? Habang nagmumuni-muni. It's a good feeling, no? So, now let's do the recap. This property is priced at 13.8 million pesos. It has a lot area of 150 square meters, floor area of 250 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, carport for 2 SUVs, balcony, living, dining and kitchen, and a garden. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, I am Howie together with our director Ken. We hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless.